morning everyone. This is the part number 2 of chapter number 21 geometrical identities. Okay. Exercise 21.a we already done. Today we discuss about exercise 21b. There is no new result. All the results are same. Those we used in exercise 21a. Okay. So there are some questions from exercise 21b. Question number first, prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. Same as it is like exercise 21a. We take any one of the side, those side complicated, we take that side. Okay. So first we take left hand side. We take left hand side only this side. This is cos A 1 minus tangent A plus sin A 1 minus cotangent A. Okay student, first we tangent and cotangent use in sin and cos. So cos A as it is 1 minus, in place of tangent we write sin A by cos A. Okay, plus sin A as it is 1 minus cos A by sin A. Okay, this implies that cos, there is LCM cos, then cos minus sin, and cos in a numerator, then cos square divided by, if we take cos LCM, then cos minus sin, cos A minus sin A, and cos A multiply with the numerator. Okay, plus same as it is sin, we take LCM sin A, then sin minus cos and sin multiply with the numerator, then sin square A by sin A and minus cos. Okay, next this is cos square A and this is sin square A. Okay, we have to show that sin A plus cos A. Next we take this cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A as it is, and we take common minus from denominator, then we take this minus here, then sin square A divided by, we write cos A minus sin A because we take a minus common, then cos A minus sin A. Okay, and we take LCM, cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A, then cos A minus sin A LCM, and there is cos square A minus sin square. Okay, and this is A square minus B square, then we write this cos A plus sin A and also cos A minus sin, and divided by cos A plus cos A minus sin. Cos A minus sin A cancel, then this equal to cos A plus sin. Okay, and this is same as right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proof. Okay, next is, this is part number first. Next is part number 4th of first question. Tangent A plus 1 by cos A whole square plus tangent A minus 1 by cos A whole square, and this equal to right hand side. So first we take left hand side. Put in place of tangent A we write sin A by cos A plus 1 by cos A as it is and whole square, plus same, in place of tangent we write sin A by cos A minus 1 by cos A whole square. Okay, and next we take LCM of this, then LCM of this cos A, and this equal to sin A plus 1 and complete whole square, plus same we take LCM cos A, then sin A minus 1 and the whole square. Okay, this implies that sin A plus 1 whole square plus sin A minus 1 whole square, in place of this cos square A and also cos square. Okay, next we take LCM of this cos square A LCM, then we solve this sin square A plus 1 plus 2 sin A, identity of A plus B whole square, same as it is sin square A plus 1 minus 2 sin A. Okay, 2 sin A, 2 sin A cancel. This implies that sin square A, 2 sin square A, 1 and 1 plus 2 and divided by cos square. Okay, then take common from this 2 and we write sin square A plus 1 and we write this cos square A, 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus sin square. Okay, next we write this 2 as it is, 1 plus sin square A and 1 minus sin square A, and is equal to right that. Okay, then next question number first, part number 7, cosecant A minus sin A, secant A minus cos A equal to 1 by tangent A plus cotangent A. Okay, so we write this cosecant A 1 by sin A, left hand side, we take left hand side, minus sin A as it is, and secant A 1 by cos A minus cos A as it is. Okay, and next we take LCM, sin A LCM, then 1 minus sin square A, because sin A divided by 1, sin A, sin A, sin A, sin square. Okay, and the same take cos A LCM, then 1 minus cos square. Okay, 1 minus sin square equal to cos square A by me sin A, 1 minus cos square A, sin square A by cos A. Okay, cos square there is 1 power, so 1 power left, cos A, same 2 power but there is 1 power, so we write only 1 power, that is sin. Okay, this is cos A side. Student, you left hand side only here. Now we take right hand side because we change this in according to on this. So we take a right hand side. Okay, 1 by tangent A plus cotangent A. We write this tangent sin A by cos A and cotangent A cos A by sin. Take LCM, denominator sin A cos, cos cancel, sin square plus sin cancel, cos square, and this equal to 1 by this 1 sin square plus cos square 1 and divided by sin A cos A, and we write this sin A cos A by 1, and this equal to same as it is. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, if both the side are complicated, first you take left hand side, you left here, now we take right hand side and same as it is left hand and right hand. This is the part number 9. 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1 plus 1 by cos A plus sin A plus 1 equal to on this. Okay, you take LCM of this left hand side. LCM cos A plus sin A minus 1 and cos A plus sin A minus plus 1. Okay, LCM of this and this both same as it is, divided by this, you can this cancel, only this left, then we write cos A plus sin A plus 1. Okay, if divided by this, then plus cancel, only this left and this and 1 multiply, then cos A plus sin A minus 1. Okay, 1 to 1 cancel, this equal to 2 sin A plus 2 cos A. Okay, cos A 2 cos A, sin A 2 sin A, and divided by this equal to, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, A plus B, A minus B. This implies that cos A plus sin A square minus B square 1. Okay, in numerator you take common 2, then sin A plus cos A and divided by this. Okay, cos A plus sin A whole square minus 1, And next is you solve this cos square a plus sin square a plus 2 cos a sin a minus 1. Okay, this implies that 2 as it is, sin a plus cos a as it is, this as it is, and this equal to sin square a plus cos square a 1, this equal to 1, 1 to 1 cancel, only this left, 2 sin a and cos a left, 2 to cancel. Okay, first you take this by this, next you take this by this. First if sin a by sin a cos a plus cos a by sin a cos a, sin to sin cancel, 1 by cos and 1 by cos equal to secant, plus cos to cos cancel, 1 by sin equal to cosecant. Okay, and this equal to right hand side. Now let's move to next question. The next question, question number 2. If x cos a plus y sin a equal to m and x sin a minus y cos a equal to n, then prove that x square plus y square equal to m square plus n square. Okay, if this given, then with the help of this we have to show that we have to prove it x square plus y square equal to m square plus n square. Student, this equation equal to m and this equal to n. Okay, and there is m square plus n square. So according to this, we take this is first and this is second. Squaring first and second, squaring first and second and adding. Okay, if we square this, then x cos a plus y sin a whole square plus left added to left and right added to right, then x sin a minus y cos a square, and in right side m square plus n square. Okay, square of this both sides, this square equal to m square, this square plus first and second both adding, and this equal to m square plus n square. Okay, then solve this identity. X square cos square a y square sin square a plus 2xy cos a sin a. Okay, and same as it is, x square sin square a y square cos square a minus 2xy sin a cos. Okay, and this equal to m square plus n square. 2xy cos a sin a, 2xy cos a sin a cancel, then x square cos square a, x square sin square a, in both this term you take common x square and write cos square a plus sin square a. Okay, x square common, cos square a plus sin square a. This and this in both the term you take common y square and sin square a plus cos square a. Okay, equal to m square plus n square. And what is the value of this? Cos square plus n square or sin square plus cos square? This equal to 1. So x square into 1 x square, and this equal to plus y square equal to m square plus n square. If we have given this two equation, then with the help of this equal to this. Okay, then after that this is the question number 4. If x equal to r sin a cos b, y equal to r sin a sin b, and z equal to r cos a, then prove that x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. Student, according to this is x, y, z. We take square of all three equation and adding. Okay, squaring and adding all the three equation. If we square this, then x square in plus y square, left added to left and right added to right, z square. Okay, equal to square of this r sin a cos b square plus r sin a sin b square plus r cos a square. Okay, this as it is same, and this r square sin square a cos square b, and this r square sin square a sin square b, and plus r square cos square a. Okay, and r square common, all the three terms r square, then sin square a cos square b plus sin square a sin square b plus cos square. Okay, r square as it is. Sin square a common, then we take common in these two terms. Sin square a common, then there is a cos square b, there is a sin square b. Okay, and plus a cos square a. This equal to r square. What is the value of this? This is equal to 1. Sin square a plus cos square, sin square b plus cos square b, angle same. So this is equal to 1. This is 1. Then there is only sin square a and plus cos square a. And what is the value of this? This is also equal to 1. So this equal to r square. So x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. Then next question number 5. If sin a plus cos a equal to m and secant a plus cosecant a equal to m, then show that this equal to 2m. 2m. Okay, and m square minus 1 equal to 2m. We have to show that this equal to 2. Okay, first we take this n into m square minus 1, and we find the value of this equal to 2m. Then put the value of n in place of n, secant a plus cosecant a. Okay, into bracket m square. M square means this square, sin a plus cos a square minus 1. Okay, and we have to show that this equal to 2m. Then secant 1 by cos, cosecant 1 by sin, into square of this sin square a cos square a plus 2 sin a cos a minus 1. Okay, then LCM of this sin a cos a, and there is sin a plus cos a. Okay, and this equal to 1. 1 minus 1 cancel, there is only 2 sin a cos a, and sin a cos a cancel, 2 in front, 2 sin a plus cos a. And what is this? Sin a plus cos a. Sin a plus cos a equal to m. So we write 2 in place of this m. Okay, so this equal to 2m. Next, this is the question number 7. Cos a by cos b equal to m and cos a by sin b equal to n. Then show that m square plus n square cos square b equal to n square. We have to show that this equal to n square. So m square plus n square into cos square b equal to n square. So according to this, this is m and this is n, squaring and adding. Okay, according to this, m square plus n square. M square cos a by cos b square, and square cos a by sin b square. Okay, then take this. This is m square plus n square cos square a by cos square b, cos square a by sin square b. Okay, then take LCM, cos square b and a sin square. Okay, cos square b sin square b. Cos square b cancel out this sin square b, cos square a sin square b, cos square a and sin square b, plus sin square b cancel, cos square b, cos square a and cos square. Okay, and we have to show that m square plus n square into cos square b equal to n square, or n square equal to cos square a by sin square b. If there is any common in a numerator, common cos square A, then cos square A common. If we take cos square A common, then sin square B plus cos square B. Okay, divided by cos square B sin square B, and this equal to 1. Okay, cos square A by cos square B and sin square B, and this equal to cos square A by sin square B equal to n square. If we take this, n square equal to cos square A by sin square B. So cos square A by sin square B is equal to n square, then n square by cos square B, and there is m square plus m square. This is left side, so multiply, cross multiply, then this equal to m square plus n square into cos square B equal to n. Okay, this is exercise 21B. Next exercise will be in a next video. Okay.